The smart and very good-looking Vishal Vashist shares his television journey with us in a candid chat.
It has been good actually. Three projects were my main. So this is the third one, Veera, and this is, I think, I consider this till date one of the biggest, and it has given me a lot. The character has shown a lot to the people. So I think, yeah, journey from Crazy Stupidish to a little passion project in Webbed and then Veera was a good move. I think still ऐसे upward है line. So I hope I keep growing. Yeah, अपना एक struggle होता है सबका. Everyone is not like they don't struggle because of no work. They have other issues also. They like for me it was consistency of staying in Bombay for the first thing. Then I had a difficult time staying in Bombay because I had my college, my studies, my house, to everything to something or the other was going on. So I had to complete my studies. I had to visit places. So I couldn't be here in Bombay. And it's और मैजिक तो है नहीं कि आप बॉम्बे में रहोगे एक हफ्ता और सब कुछ मिल जाएगा आपको. तो yeah, it takes time. I think I have also had my part of struggle, and I think still the struggle is not over. You never know what might come your way. So be ready for that. It has been fun. I won't call it ups and downs. Like even till late, people ask me how was your struggling is very bad. I think it's obviously from, if you at one point of time if you say it's bad, yes it is, but it's hectic also. But if you see it in a good way, और अगर आप एक्चुअली पॉजिटिव रहते हो तो वो फन लगेगा आपको. अगर आप 4 जगह जाओ, अलग अलग ऑडिशन दो, अलग अलग कैरेक्टर को ऑडिशन दो, आई थिंक इट इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट जॉब्स एनीवन कैन डू. आई मीन प्लेइंग 3-4 डिफरेंट लाइव्स इन वन डे एंड शोइंग इट टू पीपल. I mean, what do you call that except fun? Not roller coaster, that is yet to come. I think I will call it a good road trip to Goa, very similar to that. Yes, I think I've told this before. All my people also know that I would love to play a mafia someday or a psychotic character. Actually, I've played like 10% to 20% of that in the show also. But yeah, psychotic as in like bipolar nature maybe, something like that. On the violent side, obviously. So yes, that अभी तक ये है, and still discovering some nice character sketches which I can come across. First time in real life. हाँ, because अगर वैसे देखा जाए तो I think I first recorded my audition tape in Calcutta when I was in college. So that was the first time I actually faced my friend's camera first. He had a DSLR, so we recorded my audition on that. So yeah, and I was really nervous. I think now the young people who are coming in are, whatever I have seen and whoever I have met, they're very promising. Or just I think they should also take it as a fun journey when you're auditioning, when you're looking for work. It is a journey you will always remember. You can never forget, and only you will know how precious it is when you get the work, and what kind of relief you get when you every day come on set. You have something to look forward to every day, and every new project you do, you have a different character. And just imagine that you are playing someone else each and every day. It is a lot of fun. It is a lot of adventure. You are actually playing with someone else's emotion, so you have to be careful with that also. I think it's a fun job, and we all love it, and all of you guys will also. I think I would give my character building to all my fans, because they have always been reviewing my work and even my clothes, my hairstyle, everything. So they have always been key, Baldev looks good in this. So if you see, the kurta were gone, the kurtas and the jeans were gone. I was wearing shirts. And personally, I think Baldev suited kurta more, and the fans had a revolution coming on the social media that they want the kurtas back. So we put in the notice and they are back. So thank you all, and they have been very supportive in terms of everything, in terms of my entry, my bond with all the characters in the show, and for that matter, they have been very supportive for Veera also, because Veera has a particular brand. Veera has a particular brand, and they have their own audience, and they are very loyal. Thank you.
Vishal, we wish you all the good wishes for your future endeavours. Ruchika Singh with cameraman Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Shivan Narang, and keep watching me on India Forums, and you can also log in WhatsApptv.com.